Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to unbox a brush marker set that is known as Ohuhu 100 color dual tip marker set. So watch this video till end and shout out coming at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. So thank you. The overall product is so good and I love them. You have so many colors of options to choose to draw, or you can use it as watercolors as well. You can paint with them because it is water based, and I definitely recommend to buy it. I'll give the product link in the description, so check once. So we are near to 3k subscribers, and please help me reach to 3k subscribers. And so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and shout out coming out next. So this video shout out goes to Army BTS Forever OT7. So if you want to shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment down below done when you're done. So see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.